Welcome to my YouTube channel Itlab Genius. In today's session, we are taking a chapter 4th of recently launched Word 2022 course. Focusing on Exp22 Word chapter 4 ML2 study, I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. Here is project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. I can do all courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, SAS, and many more courses. Please contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on BBC screen. Question number 1 is that about start Word workbook. You can download Word workbook from Pearson Itlab dashboard. I have already downloaded this workbook from Pearson Itlab dashboard. You can see this. Okay. You can see I have already downloaded this. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. Both are given in the description and shown on the screen. Okay, question number 2 is that a turn on track change. Apply heading 1, style 2, section headings. This display in all capital letters. Okay, turn on track change. Moving on, Word file and apply this turn on track change. Go to references, go to review and track changes, click on track changes. Okay, and log tracking, click on log tracking, enter password option. Okay, accept. For everyone. Okay, click on track. Okay, apply heading 1, style 2, section headings and display in all capital letters. Apply heading 1 style. Okay, first we select this and go to home tab and apply heading 1 style. Is here you can see, and click on this all headings and heading 1 style. Okay, click this. Okay, select this heading and select this heading and apply heading 1 style. Select this heading and apply heading 1 style, and also select this heading and apply heading 1 style. Okay, select this heading, day 1 I take working 2 and then apply heading 1 style. Okay, you can see I have apply on all headings heading 1 style. Now moving on to question number 3. Question number 3 is that apply heading 2 style to section headings that display alone and line in the title case from the program's fees items in the including in the tuition section as a list with solid round bullets. So apply heading 2 style to the section headings that display only and display alone on a line in the case. Moving on, Word file, and for applying this you can select first this, scroll down and apply this day I1 walking to the grand law. Okay, adding 2 cell style, and then you can select this and also apply heading 2 cell style. Then you can select this day 3 escape to country and apply heading 2 cell style, and this is done. I have applied on all these headings, that is section headings. Okay, now format the prompts fees item and the included in the tuition section as a list with solid round bullets. Okay, format the prompt fees. Format the prompt fees. Where is? Okay, you can see this. Scroll down and format the prompt fees. Okay, full. You can select this and then include the tuition section as a list with solid round bullets. Okay, you can click on bullets and you can select this solid round bullets. Okay, here is solid round bullets. Click on okay, it's done now. Okay, this question is completely done. Now moving on question number 4. Question number 4 is that ensure that markup view in all markup Change the word introduction on the first line of report studied abroad in France. Center the first line and change the font size to 20. Ensure that markup view in all markup. Okay, ensure that markup view in all markup. Click on references, click on review and click on simple markup and click on all markup, select all markup. Then change the word introduction on the first line of the report to study abroad in France. Okay, copy this study abroad in France and then you can introduction to you can change this study abroad in France. Okay, select this introduction is that okay study abroad in France. You can select this and okay all markup select click on all no markup and select this and then okay tap here study abroad in France. You can select this tap here okay and then you can remove this and then tap study abroad in France. Okay, all markup and no markup, you can see this. Select this and do not type the words. Center the first line and change the font size to 20. Okay, center the first line and change the font size to 20. Select this and click on home tab. Okay, click on reject change. Okay, reject change. Click on delete this. Select this and study abroad, go to home tab and then no markup. Okay, and then center horizontally and then font size to 20. Then font size to 20. Question number 5 is that click or select more thread section in the first comments on the page 2. Accept all changes and stop tracking. Modify comments as following. Click or select more thread section in the first comment on page 2 related to formatting as atom and as heading 1 and click on select delete threads to remove the comments. Click on select more threads action in the next comments related to formatting the list with bullets and delete the threads. Okay, reply to next comments related to formatting and atoms as headings to tab 1. I assume you meant to include 3 as well. Click or select the post reply arrow. Okay, accept all changes and stop tracking. You can contact me for your assignment. Okay, first we select this, go to review tab and click on tracking and review pane. Okay, all markup and accept all tracking and this you can select this. Okay, modify comments as following. Click or select more threads action in the first comments on page 2 letter formatting and heading 1 and click or select delete threads to remove the comments. Okay, go to word file and then you can contact me for your assignment, exam, quiz or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on PC screen. Okay, select or declare more transaction to first comment on the page 2. Letter formatting and item heading 1 and click OK. Click on track change for everyone. Then click on accept. You can see this. Click on this, like this, and then scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Okay, copy this tab. I assume you meant to include day 3 as well. Heading 2 tab, related to formatting in the items as heading 2 tab. You can scroll down at this and reply. Click on reply and heading, and I assume you meant to include this, and then copy and paste here a few seconds ago. Okay, just click and select the post reply arrow. Click and select the post arrow. Okay, okay, reject, accept all. Okay, it's done now. You can see, scroll down and you can see here this question is completely done as well. Okay, now moving on question number 6. Question number 6 is that ensure that the writing style is APA 6 edition. Insert a footnote on page 1 at the end of the first sentence in the first paragraph with which ends the Strasbourg, France. Tab EU study prime in Strasbourg, France is open by application only. Okay, ensure that writing style is AP6 edition. Okay, go to references, click on style and select APA 6th edition. Then insert a footnote on the page 1 as the end of the first sentence in the first paragraph. Insert a footnote on page 1 at the end of the first sentence in the first paragraph, which ends with Strasbourg, France. Okay, insert a footnote on the page 1 at the end of first sentence in the okay. Click on you can then tab EU study province. Okay, so select insert footnote and then EU study prom in Strasbourg, France is open for vacation only. Insert a footnote is here. Copy and paste here. Okay. Modify the footnote style to type new Roman font to 12 pt size. Okay, for modifying footnote, click on go to the style. Right click on this, go to style and okay, you can modify this footnote text to font size 12 and type new Roman. Okay, then apply it. Okay, it's done now. You can see here I have done 75% of this assignment. For remaining question or you want to default complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. You can easily contact me through my WhatsApp and email. I can do all courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Access and many more courses. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video. Best of luck.